The trip keeps rolling, coral at the wheel. Next stop, Elliston, the east side's appeal. 7 hours to the eastern rugged shore. Puffins on the rocks, seeing them before they soar. Puffins love the water, skies so wide. Diving deep, high tides, ocean's pride. From rocky nest to the endless blue. Nature's wonder, pure and true. Churches, fueling stops, treasures to be found. Wherever wheels are turning, that's our hometown sound. Signs and randomness that make us smile. Newfoundland's magic, mile after mile. We miss our friends and family when we're away. Grandchildren heading back to school today. Tobias sets the pace, he's starting university, leading by example for his cousins all the way. Coral, my adventure buddy, eyes twinkle bright. The smile never leaves her, she enjoys every sight. Right by my side as we explore a quaint town. She pulls it all together for a picnic on the ground. Churches, fueling stops, treasures to be found. Wherever wheels are turning, that's our hometown sound. Signs and randomness that make us smile. Newfoundland's magic, mile after mile.
We're a long way now from our little farm. Corolla's Oregon water, I brought BC's charm. The Pacific salt now meets Atlantic Sea. We celebrate the journey, just you and me.
This trip will end, but memories stay. We appreciate your friendship every single day. Forever with us in heart and mind. Newfoundland spirit now in us combined.
Well, here we are. Wow, where are we today?
We are in Newfoundland on the east coast, as far east as we, well, mostly far east.
Yeah, totally. In Elliston.
Elliston.
We saw some puppets,
Oh, no.
but we brought something with us.
We did.
You brought a little something from Oregon.
I brought some water from Oregon. We're getting wet. Yeah, from the Oregon coast.
And we picked this up as close to my birthplace as we could get. This came from White Rock, BC in the Pacific Ocean. So we brought this to celebrate our amazing 150 Adventure Tour 2025. So we're going to pour a bit of Pacific Ocean water into the Atlantic to commemorate our cross-Canada journey in our little RV.
And we were going to take some
Yep.
Atlantic water back to the Pacific, too.
Absolutely.
But
I noticed that my bottle isn't quite full. How could that have possibly happened? This cap should keep it from evaporating.
well, my adoring husband got some water from the ocean and put it in the car and got the label that it was. And I was thirsty and had a drink. It wasn't very good.
Surprise! Surprise! Okay,
ready?
so here we go. Whoa. There we have it.
How long does it last?
Notice, my bottle is labeled.
That's cool. Here's to our wonderful cross-country
And thanks to all our friends who are part of our viewing journey along the way and supported us. Here's to you.